Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to import a quiz from the ICS 081 Co-op course into your course. Why we'd want to do this is because you might want to use my final exam, my academic integrity, and my assignment to help you set up this in your course. The final exam has multiple problems in the quiz, so all of your students wouldn't get the exact same assignment. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to whatever course you want to copy this in. You're going to click on the academic, the gear up here that is the import, export, copy components. You're going to search for course offering. I'm going to put in ICS _ co-op because I have a lot of that didn't work. I'm just going to put in ICS then, and I'm going to search through all my ICS classes for the co-op class. I have a whole bunch of them, but here's my co-op class. So I'm going to add that as selected, and I'm going to select components. When I do that, I want to copy some things, but I don't want to copy everything. I want to copy some content, so I'm going to select the individual item to be copied. I want to copy an assignment, but I don't want to copy all of them, so I'm going to select that. And I want to copy a quiz, so I'm going to select that. You're going to hit the continue button once you've done that. So you want to check and make sure you're not copying everything. You want to hit the select individual item to copy in content, in assignments, and in quizzes. So then we're going to go forward after that. Here is the assignment that we need to copy. I'm going to copy the assignment where you submit your written work for the final exam. Next, it's going to ask for the quiz. So I'm going to do the final exam quiz, and then I'm going to continue. And the last thing that I'm going to copy is my academic integrity one. So that will be in the final exam module. All I need to do is copy the academic integrity assignment because we've already done these two. And then we're going to hit continue. We do need to set dates, so then we're just going to hit finish. And right now it's copying those things into my course. Takes a couple minutes, or usually not that long, but as long as that bar is rolling, you can see that it's copying things in. The check mark shows me it's done, so now I can go to content. And when I look at the bottom of the page, I have final exam spring 2020. And in here, I have my academic integrity statement. What I'm going to do here is go to the assignment link and find the assignment that says assignment where you submit your written work for the final. Add that one. And then I'm going to go to the quiz link and get the quiz, which is the final exam. And because I didn't do them in the right order, I'm going to move that one up. I moved it up by clicking on the little boxes, and then you can move it wherever you want. Once you've done that, you will want to go in and check to make sure that the dates are what you're looking for. When you go to the quizzes, you can click on your quiz. And as you can see, I have two of them in here because I had already had this in my course, so I just copied it in again. Under properties, that's where all the quiz questions are. There's 4 questions for almost every single question in the test. There's 3 of them that don't have questions because they were not easy to write multiple questions. Here are the restrictions. So this is where you would put your due dates in. Make sure you display it in the calendar for the students. And for assessments, If you want to assess it in the quiz, you could. I like to assess it in the assignment link so that I know what's going on in here, but you could add a grade item here. I put the assignment link when I go to the assignment link, so I'm on assignments. I'm going to come here and I'm going to edit this. If I'm looking here, this is my assignment. I'm going to put my score out of 100, and then I would come look for the final exam grade that should be in here and plop that in as my new grade item. I can't do that because my final exam is already connected to the quiz that I didn't just copy in. Here you can put in change your start dates and end dates as well. The one thing that you want to make sure is checked is this box at the bottom that says make annotation tools available for assessment, because what that does is that allows you to write on your assessments. So if I'm looking at this submission here for the time management schedule, I'm going to look at Allison's. When I click on the PDF, it'll let me write on this. So you can click on the tools. I like the pen, and then I can use the pen to write with whatever I want. If you don't want the students to see it right away, down here in this corner, there'll be a save as draft, and that'll work because then the students won't be able to see the grades until you publish. So to publish, I don't want to save what I edited. When you get to your assignment, you can just click on this, and then you can click on publish feedback. This button over here that's at the top of the list highlights all the student names, and then when you hit publish feedback, it'll publish the feedback for everyone. If this seems extremely confusing to you and you want me to walk you through it, please, please, please call me. I'm happy to walk you through it and help you do this. It is a little complicated, but it might give you a better chance of having students doing their own work. If you want some help, please call me. Thanks. Bye.